Hi, my name is Kellie Burrus, and I'm here today with FacePaintcom and my model,
Jamie Engerman.
And we did some unicorn flowers today. Today I chose to paint unicorn flowers. I used a global one-stroke cake. I did some double dipping here with white and then dipped into a teal and then drag and drop, so you get the teal at the back end and the white at the front end. I used the one stroke all around the place. I made a flower, then I just made some layers with that same one stroke. I faded from white into pink here on her chest first. And here we also have a base of pink and white on her eyes too. And then I pretty much went around everything with my Kim black and a little bit of wolf black. I made some teardrops for the centers of the flowers here, and here. And then I just had some fun with white teardrops and outlined everything. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope you had fun. All the products we used here today are listed in links below, and please like and share. Thanks. Bye.